Hey everyone, I'm Ibby, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Coco's new agent editor. So one of the things that we get asked all the time is, hey, like, what's your recommendation on prompting? How do I add tools? How do I optimize my prompt? We've actually gone in and added to Coco an agent builder. So you can just chat and tell it what you want it to do, and it'll actually build the Cotera agent for you. And then you can go and select your models. You can put it on a timer. If you're an enterprise user, you can connect it to a data set. What I'm going to be doing with you today is showing you how to create a pre-meeting research agent. So what this does is it connects to your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar or Calendly. It looks at who you're meeting with in that given day, and then it'll actually run a deep research and send you a Slack message or an email on who you're actually meeting with some specifics. So all you have to do is sign into Cotera, and on this screen, all you do is say, please build an agent that looks at my Google Calendar, looks up the person that I'm meeting with on LinkedIn, reads up on them, and sends me an email digest to my email, ibby@cotera.co. And then what you'll see is, let's fire idea. It'll obviously gas you up as always. And then here you go. So what this is doing is it's actually like looking different events up. Cool. All right. It's finished thinking. And what it's going to do is it's actually going to write an agent for us, which will get set up and put into our agent list here on the left. So we'll wait for it for a couple seconds. It says waking up Cotera workspace. It'll run everything for us, and then it should get everything set up. All right. We've got this getting set up. You can see here is it's writing to the agent. The agent editor is creating in Coco. And suddenly we've got this here on the left. All right, yeah, so we've got our Google Calendar list events. It gives the AI very, very specifics on what to do. It'll identify the people to research, look them up on LinkedIn. So it uses all these different tools, and then it'll compose the digest email, and it'll actually send it. So you can see here that the agent is super, super specific. What you can also do is if you want to open it, if we go over here and we click on this guy, you can actually select the underlying agent. So this is actually probably a pretty simple use case. So what we can do is we can actually give it access to Mistral or one of these ones if we want it to not cost us very much. So let's actually give that a go. Let's select Mistral Large 3 so we can select whatever agent we want. And then we can say, help me research who I am meeting with today. And you can see here that it's got everything set up. It's going to kick off the meeting prep digest, and you can actually see here. So you can see that it's actually like giving it a command. It's waking up the meeting prep digest, and it should run everything and send it to me at ibby@cotera.co. So it's accessing its memory. It's listing the different events. Nice. See it doing its thinking. Now what it's doing is I only have my own, it says for me to call my mom, and I'm meeting with Ibby Sai, which is just me. This is the external domain. So now it's actually looking me up on LinkedIn. It's grabbing my posts, and then it should, assuming it's correct, send me an email about myself. So we'll check that here in a sec. Okay. It's asked for my approval. I'm sending the email. I'll click approve, and boom, it's given me a meeting prep about me. So it's talking about what I posted about on LinkedIn. It's got quick tips for the meeting, and it's got my professional summary. So there you go. Side note, the other thing that you can do is you can also just go to our website, cotera.co, and you can type in what you want to build in here. So that's actually like another way of doing it. Hopefully this was helpful. Shoot me an email. You have it now if you have any questions, and happy agent creation. See you, everyone.